Are your Microsoft or Radius apps crashing due to the Iccvid Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before we begin the manual steps for Iccvid Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Iccvid Library, the Cinepak Video Codec, Iccvid library. It provides the localized 32-bit routines required to decode Cinepak-compressed video files, frequently found in 1990s-era localized FMV games and legacy multimedia presentations, mandatory for retro software compatibility. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. Since Iccvid Library DLL is often tied to 3D rendering, the standard fix is to refresh your graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then perform a clean GPU driver update to address any OpenCL or CUDA conflicts. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Iccvid library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Iccvid Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. To help prevent background conflicts, the maintenance utility reference below includes information related to Iccvid library synchronization. To keep Iccvid library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.